cup of tea. This is how you get close to the stage, girlfriend. You gotta get right up here, right by the booty. Do you have beautiful eyes? Yes, you're so pretty. Two corned beef.
Two corned beef.
The tacos and two musubi.
Two spam. Anything else?
My bestie and your bestie. Your bestie says you want one thing, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hello for love, everyone. So today we are at Polyfest 2024. Some of you may notice my ponytail's gone. I'll show you what happened to that right about here. So I'm waiting for a second on the girls. Silhouette's gonna perform tonight. So they're gonna be the last show in the act. But I'm gonna walk around a little bit and we're kind of see what's here like we did last year, and then we're gonna film all the events. I don't care if we're monetized or not because I'm not trying to make money off this. This is for your enjoyment. So come on along for the ride. Let's go. So as you can see, I'm walking up on the thing. There's a lot of people here this year and it's early. It hasn't even started yet for like probably 15-20 minutes. So just gonna go by and see what kind of shops they have set up. Stuff here. That's some flag. Oh, bet your Silhouette would like some of those. Oh my gosh, how much money are we gonna spend today? We got that. That's cute. And they got something over here. I don't know what that is, but. And you can see it's all not just Polynesian people here. It's a big event down here and there's a lot of stuff happening at this complex. So there's like soccer and rugby playing on all the soccer fields. So a lot of people are here and then see what's going on. They're like, what's going on over there? So they come over here and check out the food. They got the huli huli chicken over here, or chicken and rib. There's the shady area where we're gonna hide later. Let's go look this way. How you doing? He's really nice.
Oh, thank you.
Waiting for my wife and kids to come, so we're come back.
Yeah,
yeah, nice. All handmade, huh? All handmade?
It's laser engraved.
Laser engraved, nice. Smells good in here too. All the wood. All right, let's look at the next one. That'd be something that Silhouette would like for her room. Got some more goodies here. Dresses. People are starting to fill up. The stage is getting ready. It's way down there. Ooh. Let's go see what this is. Yeah, no one else is here but me. They're at home over there. We live over that way.
Oh, but you guys are close.
About a mile. Well, we still drive here. It's too hot to walk. But yeah, I'm just waiting and they're going to come and whatever. We're fine. We usually sit over there in the shade.
Got it.
Unless
We're
we're
the
watching.
white tent right there. We're all gathered there. Yeah.
Awesome. All right, over here they have Island Barbecue, mixed plates, $22. We'll come back, check that out. Over here, let's see. Gyoza. There's some of the things. Oh, I can't really see it. I'll have to look at that later. Got over here some Atta's Kitchen, barbecue plates. And here's all the things they have for sale up here. We'll come back with everybody. And here's our corn. Then the egg roll hut seems pretty popular. Go figure. We go to a Polynesian festival, people want egg rolls. Wow, they even set up an ATM here. There's never ATM here at the park. Must be so people can get their money, buy some of these cool things. So this is the Asia Pacific Culture Center. They represent all of Hawaii, Pacific Asian, islands, everywhere. And as you can hear, with the music in the background, we're definitely getting demonetized, but that's okay. We're not here, like I said, to make money. So I'm gonna let all the music play. I'm not gonna mute out any of the music. Here's some more food right here. Got your song. Got Poke Nachos. That looks actually pretty good, huh? Say hi. We're coming back. I'm waiting for my family to come back. Yeah, but apparently someone knows me from last year or the channel. No.
Did you get one?
What is it?
It's a gift for you.
Oh, thank you.
It's a free daily devotional. We're passing it out to everyone
Awesome.
in the
Thank you so
festival.
much. Yeah, bye. Oh, as you see, I got a free gift. It's a daily devotional. I'm gonna go look over here in the tents. I think some people I know are over this way. Here's the stage right here. We got all the different flags of Polynesia. I feel like getting up on the stage and doing a little break dancing. They're like, who the heck is that guy? There's a crew getting ready to perform over there. There's Uncle Wes. What's up? There's Jim. I know that guy. All right. It looks like you got the first. It's Le Teini Samoa. This is the first act going. They're getting ready. And there's people here setting up their tents. Now you can see there's a pretty cool little playground here. I'm going to walk around the back of the playground and go back up to the truck. So that's kind of what we got here today. Looks like some more people getting prepared for something over here. They must be more dancers. Yep, you see that, like pre-rehearsing. All right. Oh my gosh. I was gonna walk back to the truck, but I can't help but want to film some show.
Lieutenant Samoa, Weekend Crew, Terrama, LHC Youth, we're here also. Keliko Aiole, Lehua, Kapua Kalani. Also in Mana Polynesian Review, Malua Seattle, 1K Tui, Tessie 1K, Hamalawin, Poly Central, and Tupulafi. Let's give a big round of applause for all of our entertainers that came across Washington to entertain you today.
I'm gonna get up close and film the one lady that do their act.
Hey yo, what's the deal? Tell me how you feel. Y'all know what I mean? This your hostess with the motions here to help you keep focused, you hear me? I'm gonna go ahead and welcome everybody to the Lacey Poly Fest. As of right now, we're gonna go ahead and get into the entertainment part right now. And we're gonna go ahead and let Miss Irene go ahead and announce the entertainment.
That's Tassie 1K, the
So this
co-host.
guy here, he co-hosts and hosts all across Washington. And I told him, you need to host today because you are from this community. Amen?
Amen.
All right. With no further ado, put your hands together. Girls and boys of all ages, put your hands together for Letena Samoa.
Guess I gotta get up close too, since everyone else is.
Folks, Letena
people
Samoa
aren't
is
sitting
under
in
the
front of me.
supervision of Sister Renza Latulele, and they perform all across Washington State. And they pedal their canoe all the way from the island of Samoa. Talofa! You like that? All right. What's your name? Tama. Ooh, the handsome Tama is here all the way from up north. Big round of applause. What island you came from, Tama? Samoa. Samoa, Thomas said. Woo! What's your name, buddy?
Samuel,
Samuel. Did you come here from Lacey today, Samuel?
I don't know.
Okay, I don't know. There's a place called I don't know. Okay. Thank you for coming, Samuel. All right, kids, go find me a shoe. Hold on to the shoe.
Okay, they're still waiting. I'm not gonna sit out in the hot sun for an hour waiting for the show to come. Hopefully I'll still catch it, but I gotta walk back up to the truck area to see if Mom and the girls are here so we can all find a place to set and stuff. So, all right, I'll be back. So the gang's all here, Acapella, Tala, Silhouette, and Mama. Hey, I told her you come look at these necklaces. Look at those Nifa Otis right here. Look at this one. Hi. See this one? Yes, I asked her if they had the bone one. They said they sold out of that one. The boar.
Oh, there's one right
That's
there.
pretty, right? No, but that's only half of one.
Piece, yeah.
Yeah, she wants the whole one, right? Well, I'm gonna stand behind you, let the people shop. So they finally got the music started, but I'm late to the show. But we'll get some of them. You can see them perform.
That's dumb. If you want to get the crowd pumping, you gotta do this. Nah, that's steak. You should do it like this, bro. Nah.
Hey, give it up for the boys. Hey, before we do our last number, can everyone look at that white middle tent right there? And you see that woman in a pink jacket? That's my mom. She's 94 years old. She claims to be the CEO of the Weekend Crew. But for this last number, perform this number at the APCC New Year's celebration. So if there's anyone in the crowd that also knows this dance, please come up right in front and come join with this dance with the Weekend Crew.
Out there, Ohana. Let's go.
Yeah, Silhouette's friend Lonnie, she's in the back. She's the tall one right in the middle. Hi, Lonnie. Look, they're gonna give us food. Yay! No, kidding. Yeah, say hi. That'd be part of the thumbnail. There you go.
I do that.
Mommy be famous. Here's a quick section where I thought I was filming, but it was just pictures. So this is Silhouette shopping and buying her Ula Nifo. It'll go back to video in a second. So I'm back on the truck and I made a bunch of pani keki. Oh, look, the grease is coming through. I'm gonna take it, all of Silhouette stuff like her banana leaves and her sticks and everything is in here. And I'm gonna go take these down to, because Dominic, Acapella's boyfriend's here. I might have mentioned that. And I want them to try pani keki. And of course, Mommy wants some too. a little closer. We're on the hunt for some food. And Mama wants some food. It's getting more crowded here. Usually it gets even crowded later in the day, I guess. I think we're gonna eat something at Island Barbecue. They have mixed plate and chicken plate. Not sure, I'd like to buy something from every place, but I don't know what to get. Oh, they're cute up there, huh? Let's walk around behind them. They're singing live for them. That's pretty cool. Of course, anytime I'm at any kind of Polynesian fair and they have the Taste of Samoa truck. Taste of Samoa, Manapua Bakery. I'll see if they got a Manapua for Mama. She loves them. Let's see what they got up here. Then musubi, lumpia, pancake. We'll get something. 2 of the corned beef ones. 2 corned beef.
2 corned beef.
The tacos and 2 musubi.
2 spam. Anything else?
Yeah, that's it.
Good to see you again.
Yeah, I'd like to see you again too. I was just mentioning on the camera, I said every time I see a fair and Taste of Samoa's there, I gotta stop by. It's delicious.
Thank you.
Yeah. Truly, those tacos are the best thing, one of the best things I've ever eaten in my life.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So I'm always surprised when people actually remember me. That was nice, but I wasn't lying. That corned beef taco, or like musubi, Manapua taco with corned beef is so good. My wife like about ate my arm off wanting me to get her more. So, and we got a couple musubi for this little one. So they have a little truck here they pull around, and on the back they have the big Samoan flag. So you might remember this from a fair we went to elsewhere in our state last year in the summer when it was super hot out. So yeah, but no lie, they are some of the most authentic tasting Samoan food that we've had for sure. Wow, look at all the people here now. It's getting more crowded. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
For your modern day hula, Awana.
We don't perform until like 7:30-ish.
who lived there. Without further ado, please welcome our Keikis on the stage.
Behind the scenes. Everyone's filming. I had no idea there's that many YouTubers in the world. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sure they're doing it for their social media or Facebook or whatever. How do you like this motorcycle? The trike, three-wheeler. Got Samoa, an American Samoa, nice. I'd love to see him driving down the street. That would be awesome. Awesome, I love it. So I am just walking around now. Silhouette's instructor Jocko's here with his wife Jess, and she went to go find them. I just want to take a picture of the meet. Check this out. Look at that. Good, good. I just want to show everyone how beautiful it is. Look at that, the chef. Oh yeah. This smells so good. So I'm trying to find them. Yeah, it's a tattoo that does Polynesian tattoos, but I think they do like the modern tattoo stuff. They don't do traditional ones. And I know Silhouette, when she finally does get a tattoo and old enough, she will want the traditional way for sure. Let me go see if I can find them. So I'm kind of walking behind the scenes area. Oh, my phone's ringing. Let me answer that phone. Okay, they're at the truck. I gotta go back to my truck and find them. Look at this cool car. This Toko Uso Car Club. I've never seen that car club sign before. Pretty cool. Very Tongan and Samoan, huh? So cool. So even though it's hot, Mommy doesn't break tradition, and she has her nice winter Sherpa hat on, of course. She likes keeping warm. You didn't say hi to anyone, honey. Say hi.
Hi.
How you having fun today?
I am.
What's the best thing you eat today?
I haven't eaten anything really.
You eat tons of stuff.
Yeah,
what are you talking about? How forgetful. What's the best thing you ate today?
So far, but that's the only thing I've ate.
Holy shit, I thought she was gonna say my pancake. Thanks,
oh, yes,
honey.
your pancake.
Too late, too late.
But you did say that.
Talk to the hand, talk to the hand. I said today. Get away from my face. Hello, my name is Jocko Jr. and I got beautiful eyes. Right? What'd you say?
He's like, I'm pushing.
Say Talofa. Oh, he said it. He said Talofa. What's that, lava? Talofa lava? Oh, you're a good boy, huh?
Jocko Jr.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah, beautiful son, beautiful mommy together. And beautiful big brother. Look at him. He's so cool. Are you cool? Are you cool? Are you cool? You are one cool kid. Say, I'm cool.
Give him a pound it.
He's like, I just woke up. Look at his beautiful eyes.
And then he went back to sleep.
Do you have beautiful eyes? Yes, he's so pretty. Let's see your beautiful eyes. Oh, wow. Are you a movie star? Are you The Rock?
Are you gonna put that on?
You're more handsome than The Rock, huh?
Give him a pound it. Give him a fist.
Pound it, pound it. Boom, there you go. Good job. Yeah, I took a quick break to run home and feed Maka and take her for a walk so she could go to the bathroom. And meanwhile, Jocko's here still with Silhouette and Toa. They're practicing for tonight's performance. And I'm gonna go surprise Silhouette by buying that plaque she wanted. And I probably won't give it to her till after the show. Let's go buy it. Before I buy the plaque though, I'm gonna walk back up and see what they're doing up there now on the stage. I haven't been able to watch every performance because there's so many other things we've had to do that I'm not recording. but I for sure wanted to catch these gentlemen doing an awesome dance up here. Very cool. Let's go see what they're doing. Oh yeah, it's awesome. Looks like I just missed it, unless this gentleman's gonna do something. Very cool. Let's see what they do next. They said they're gonna do the Tahiti dance with a Puerto Rican twist. So let's see what this is here. So I'm actually not at the park anymore. I'm actually somewhere by my house. The music in the background is just fake, and this is just a fake Heineken. I'm not really drinking it, okay? Love you guys. Have a good day. I like the lead couple's outfit. That's kind of nice, huh? I just start calling your husband Harry Styles. Harry Styles, you know, from that band.
Oh, yeah.
Solo.
Oh, yeah.
This is a good example of the boys that how to interact with the crowd. Oh my gosh, I get sidetracked so easy. That green vitamin water. I'm feeling a little woozy, but let's go buy that. Let's meet the guy that makes those laser engraved or wood carved plaques. And let's help his small Polynesian business out by buying that one. Plus Silhouette wants something like that. Even though today I think she was more distracted trying to look for boys. She's getting that age where she's a little interested in guys, so gotta keep my eye on her. So let's get up there and help that guy. I don't think he's sold any of the big plaques yet, so let's go up there. You want to tell us about your business before I buy it? Tell us about your business.
So we started opening our business in 2020, and we've only done it all online.
Awesome.
And initially we're from Guam, so we started off with just all Guam products.
Right.
Yeah, so now we just expanded. We're still online, but now this will be our first event ever.
And what's the name of your company?
Imagination.
Imagination. Awesome. You see some of this they have? Samoa. You have Tonga. What is this right here?
That's Sinamai.
Sinamai. Awesome. Got Guam for the Chamorro. Hawaii. Kukui nuts. Kukui nuts with the engraved emblem on the bottom. Very nice. There you go. And we're gonna buy this for Silhouette. That's what she wanted.
You want it back?
No, I'm just gonna put it in the truck. Okay. There we go. There's a 50 and a 10.
Thank you.
That's my wife for the 10. I only had a 50.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, thank you, man.
Good luck to you. Look at that. That's really nice. Pretty, huh? I love that.
Here's the stand for that.
We do both, so. All right, good luck to your business.
Thank you.
Put your hand like this.
Obrigado, sim, promo.
So here's what we bought. The Seal of American Samoa, 17 April 1900. That is one day after my wife's birthday, which is on the 16th, but obviously my wife wasn't born in 1900, but I love it. Mommy's gonna love it. We got to stand with it. Mommy may want to take this from Silhouette, and Silhouette may not get it. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Poly Central getting ready to go in, and after that, Tubaleafe. Behind the scenes, I'm behind the stage. Cup of tea. This is how you get close to the stage, girlfriend. You gotta get right up here, right by the booty. I'm just picking on you. I know you do your best.
I was looking at you and you was looking at me. I was thinking, go to market, go to market, go to market.
Go. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
Original Mr. Flavor. Every day na party, every day na jolly. No time for story, where my woman was supposed to the party, no time to check time. Everybody shake it, shake it. I am on my I'm a sister, shake it. I'm a baby, time to party, shake it. I am on my I'm a sister, shake it. I'm a baby, time to party,
Please tell me you speak English. I'm Detective Carter. Do you speak any English? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Let's make some noise for Party Central and style one time.
Mình đóng con hay nếu như một câu nói có thể khiến anh vui sẽ suốt ngày luôn nói không ngừng để anh cười nếu em làm work 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 you see me every work 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 you see me do me dirt 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 you see me work 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 I'm in the cafe my da 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 drive me out of here.
Oh, he's in trouble now.
That's right, I'm going back to my music. And I'm going to sing 3 of my favorite songs. And I hope you enjoy. The first song goes a little something like this.
Here comes Irene, the director of the Polynesian Festival. They're putting her in the hot seat. She's ready.
Yeah, make some noise now. Uh-oh. Somebody about to be in trouble.
Get it, Irene! Uh-oh, look at you, Grandma. Is that your grandma? My grandma's awesome. thinks this is their grand finale, and then it'll be Tupeleafi's turn. Let's see. What a fun day this was. I wish you all were here. Still got it. Here she goes. So cute.
Salute for everybody. How's everybody doing today? I want to hear say, chee-hoo! Thank you very much for everybody. It's a beautiful day today. I hope you guys support those local business and all the performers over here. Thank you very much. Shout out to Petani family, the board, and to Irene, and everybody that put this together. All right, guys, we brought our elite students today that are going to be performing for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the show. Please, thank you very much. Stay tuned.
Also, guys, these warriors, they performed in PCC this year at the 30th Annual World Fire Knife Championship competition. So sit back and relax. You are in for a treat. Put your hands together for Toa Ingamatonville! together. Let's welcome Silhouette to the stage. Woo!
Come on, everyone, let me hear you say Talofa!
Guys, put your hands together. They deserve more than that. It's hot out here. Woo!
I was surprised. I didn't know she was going to do the total mine. That was awesome.
Things just flying.
That's not your bike? I thought maybe you rode in on that.
Oh, I wish.
I know that is tight,
Yeah.
huh? Plus you don't have to balance it, you just relax.
Yeah.
Stoplights, I would like that too.
My buddy bought one of the spiders.
Yeah.
So he's
with the
like
two
trying
in
to
the front.
convince everybody. He said, man, get a spider, get a spider.
I wonder how much they cost.
The spiders?
Probably
I think
$30,000.
yeah,
Oh
about
yeah.
30.
That's like
Used
car,
ones you
that's
can
like
get
car
for-
price though.
Yeah.
So we'll buy a car instead. I'd like to say we got a lot more to go, but that's the last thing. And I'm Poop, so thank you so much for watching. We love each and every one of you who watch. It's so fun meeting people here. We met so many vendors and people walked up to us and said they love watching our channel, which just touches our heart. Love you. Much alofa to all of you. We love each and every one of you. And until next time, we'll see you at the end of next month, July 31st. Until then, peace. Tofa,
Friends
soy
and
Kua.
family